So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the historical data of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go ahead and select a stock of your choosing. So for this demonstration, I'll go to the Discover tab at the bottom. I'll go to Trendings and Movers, and how about I select ticker symbol UPS. United Parcel Service Incorporated. So for this stock, whatever stock it may be that you have selected, just scroll down until you come across Summary, Analysis, and Financials. Press on Financials. Now once the financials tab is opened up, just keep scrolling down a little bit until you come across historical data right here. Now if you want to view the historical data, you can go ahead and just press on it right here, and then what it'll show you now is the UPS or the stock of your choosing, the historical data. So you can go ahead and check the historical prices, the daily price. You can go ahead and download it if you want, whatever the case may be. You can just sort of view it on the screen right here. If you want to edit the dates, you can go to the top here and select the date range. You can go back 5 years maximum, whatever the case may be, but it's pretty straightforward. This is how to view the historical data of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.